Patil is joined. शुरू करा.
Okay, sir.
Strong and चार वगैरह को बोल करना. What time is the IQAC meeting? 12:50. सभा 12 पर्यंत देतील ना. हाँ. डॉक्टर अविनाश पाटिल सभा 12. हाँ. अदरवाइज ऑनलाइन कर लेना तो 2 वैसे ज्यादा जाना ही नहीं चाहिए. वो जो भी है
So good evening everyone. Respected Director Dr. Naresh Chandra sir, Principal Dr. Avinash Patil sir, all our esteemed Vice Principals and dear colleagues. In this expression series, today we have amongst us our beloved, one of the favorite teachers of BK Birla College, a very popular teacher of BK Birla College, Professor Shailesh Srivastava sir, who has served this college for more than 35 years and one of the finest teacher to whom everybody used to recognize as a favorite teacher in the Faculty of Arts. So sir has accepted our invitation and he is here amongst us only to deliver his expression today. So we welcome sir on my personal behalf, and I request our principal Dr. Avinash Patil sir to please welcome our today's speaker Professor Shailesh Srivastava sir on this occasion. Principal sir, please.
Hello.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Good afternoon everyone. Respected Dr. Naresh Chandra sir, Director Education, our today's speaker Professor Shailesh Srivastava sir, Dr. Harish Dubey, the coordinator for the program, vice principals and dear colleagues who are attending the today's session of BKBCK Expressions. Indeed, we are very happy that Professor Shailesh Srivastava sir has accepted our invitation, and today he has come to college to address all of us during this or on the series of BKBCK Expressions. So every one of us knows the personality, that is Srivastava sir, history person, a historian, and during his farewell also I mentioned that if anybody wish to listen or know the history of BK Birla College, definitely Shailesh Srivastava sir is the right person to listen from his own mouth, and he narrates the history very nicely, and his students also admire him for the same. So on behalf of the college and management, we extend a warm welcome to Srivastava sir for our today's session of BKBCK Expressions. Sir, we are very happy that you have accepted the invitation, and today you have come to the college to address all of us. We also welcome our director sir and all our colleagues for the today's session of BKBCK Expressions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So, Professor Srivastava sir has been the head of history, and we have a tradition that person who has been our faculty for any department, the department takes that responsibility of introducing that particular retired faculty. So today we have amongst us Dr. Suvarna Jadhav ma'am. Swapna madam is not available because of her some personal trip, but we have amongst us Dr. Suvarna Jadhav madam. So may I request madam to please formally introduce our today's speaker, Professor Shailesh Srivastava sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Respected Director, Education, Dr. Naresh Chandra Sir, Respected Principal, Dr. Avinash Patil Sir, Coordinator of this Dubey, our guest speaker and former Head of Department of History, Professor Shailesh Srivastav, Senior Vice Principal, Dr. Swapna Sameer, other Vice Principals, and all my esteemed colleagues. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our today's chief guest and my own former Head of Department of History, Professor Shailesh Srivastav. Srivastav sir retired with the designation of Associate Professor in our department. He joined this college on 17 September 1985 and he continued his service till 30th September 2019. It was indeed a great and long service of 34 years. Sir was earlier working in CHM College for 1 year, and so his total experience of service rendered up to 35 years. Sir is well versed in many different languages, like we all know that English, Hindi, Marathi, 3 languages, but along with that, he also knows French language. If we see his academic record, it is just very excellent, and we can see that he had scored first class first at MA examination of University of Mumbai, and that was a great pride for all of us. Sir has achieved many prizes and ranks and many other accolades to his credit. During his tenure, he participated in almost around 44 seminars, conferences, and workshops. If I keep on narrating each and every, it will take a long time. So the figure itself explains us that he has done a lot. He participated in the orientation and refresher courses. He has a very good habit of learning, and I have always seen him learning various books, magazines, journals related to our subject and of general knowledge. He intended to do policy of India since independence from 1947 to 1984. So I request you that please do this research work, or it will be a great pleasure for us if you do this research work, because I'm sure the way you will be contributing for this particular topic, it will be a great asset for all the historians. Sir used to conduct the PG lectures and was a coordinator for PG lectures in our own college, and was also the visiting faculty for PG lectures for MA at RKT College, Ulhasnagar, and was also visiting faculty for PG at IDOL, University of Mumbai, Mumbai. He also gave these special guidance lectures, and he has spoken on various topics related to career guidance, on education, and on different social institutions in different colleges and schools. He has contributed to students' total development, as I have mentioned, that he was really loved by his students, and I really admire him for one of his way of teaching, and that is going empty-handed in the classroom without any kind of paper in his hand or any kind of book in his hand. And once if he starts with the lecture, he used to end up with no paper, with no any kind of writing on the paper or any kind of book. And so that itself shows that he was so well versed in our subject that he never needed any such kind of assets along with him. So that was a great thing that I always admired of you, sir. He also gave his, we can say that he was very much into the outreach activities, and was invited as a resource person to various lectures that were conducted by NCC, NSS, and also for HSC, SSC, and graduation at different levels, which were conducted by the various clubs like the Rotary Club at Kalyan, Dombivli, Bhivandi, Ulhasnagar, He was also invited as guest speaker to deliver lectures on various topics related to history and social issues. We find organized during his tenure the cycle rally of cluster I colleges from Kalyan to Pune for creating AIDS awareness among youths. He worked as a member, Station Consultative Committee, Kalyan Division, Central Railway, meant for solving the problems faced by railway passengers. He was very much associated with the university department, and he worked as the subject expert in different colleges for conducting interviews for selection of lecturers in history at degree college level, and also worked as subject expert for selecting teachers at school and junior college level. He worked as subject expert in different colleges for the placement of lecturers in senior scale and selection grade. Sir was very much interested in the extracurricular activities and also helped, he rendered his services over there too. We find that he was the coordinator of the Students' Council for 2 years. He was a staff secretary for 5 years, member of Library Committee for 1 year, member Staff Academy for 1 year, member Magazine Committee for 1 year, NSS Program Officer for 1 year, member steering committee for 2 years, and the list goes on and on and on. So there were so many different committees. I really find that there was hardly any committee wherein he must have not worked for for the committee or in the college. There were many other things that that he has contributed during his service. And we find that he also worked as organizing secretary for 3-day national conference in our own department, and also worked as chairman, accommodation committee, secretary, and chairman, transport committee, etc. And there are many national and international conferences that we have conducted during his tenure, not only in the history department, but also chairman for the sports committee. He has worked for that too. So it gives me an immense pleasure to give the introduction of yours, and I'm just waiting to listen to you. We all are very excited to listen to you. So thank you for accepting our invitation, and over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, madam, for such an elaborate introduction. And as you rightly said, it is not possible to introduce such a personality in a couple of minutes, but you have tried to cover almost all aspects of Professor Srivastava, sir. So I will not take much time, and I directly invite Professor Srivastava, sir, to take over and express his views in front of all the colleagues. Professor Srivastava, sir.
Good evening, one and all. Honorable Director of Education, Dr. Naresh Chandra, Principal Dr. Avinash Patil, Principal Dr. Harish Dubey, BKBC Knight College, Senior Vice Principal Dr. Sapna Samer. In fact, I came to know that Dr. Sapna Samer is in US, and she had sent her best wishes, good wishes to me on WhatsApp. So I thank her also. Mr. Bipin Wadekar, Vice Principal Commerce. Dr. Maninder, Vice Principal Science, Asmita Gupta, Vice Principal IT, and my esteemed colleagues. At the outset, let me pay my deep sense of gratitude and respect to Pujya Shri B.K. Birla ji, the founder of this great institution, for his great contribution to this institution. And we are remembering him in this year because it is his birth centenary year. Then it also gives me a pleasure to be a part of special lecture series meant for celebrating the Golden Jubilee year of our college. Now, before I start, let me tell you that I'm going to present my expressions in 10 to 12 points. The first point will be early life. in early life, I'll be saying about the origin of the Kayastha Srivastavas, from where the Srivastavas came, because being a history person, at least I should make you aware from where the Srivastavas came. Then education life, early career, and life in Birla College. Point, principles of Birla College. 6th point, my relations with Dr. Naresh Chandra. Then relationship with my colleagues. 7th point. 8th point, works in the committee. 9th point, social outreach activity. 10th point, family support. 11th point, my wish list for the college. And last is, I will conclude, 12th. Well, to begin with, I should tell you that the Srivastavas originally hailed from Jammu and Kashmir. More specifically, the Srivastavas are from Srinagar, Srivastav. And the first ruler, the founder of our dynasty, was there in later Vedic age, Sri Bhanu. And that's how we got our, Srivastavas. Well, my great-great-grandfather migrated from Kashmir and joined the revenue department. He was transferred as assistant Diwan of Balia district in UP. Grandfather was a Kanungo in revenue department. My father joined Century Rayon in electrical department before my birth. Therefore, I spent my entire childhood in the pleasant atmosphere of Century Rayon colony. Now, turning back to educational life, I completed my school education from Century Rayon School. Then I joined CHM College, that is for 12th standard, 12th arts, HSC. I stood first class first in my college, as well as in Ulhasnagar. I was felicitated by my college as well as by other organizations like ABVP, who awarded me the award Sarva Pratham. In TYVA, I got first rank with 3 papers of history and 3 political science, and was awarded Srimati Chandibai Award. Then I completed my MA in RKT College. I stood first in Mumbai University. Later on, through newspapers, I came to know that I was not only first in history, but first in social sciences group in entire Mumbai University. And really, then the awards and other things began to shower on me. And there were so many prizes which was given to me by various organizations. But the most prestigious one was given by the University of Mumbai, and that was Sir Firoz Shah Mehta Award from Mumbai University. Well, now I move on to the point number 3, that is early career. And I should say that I was offered a job in Amul India as an assistant marketing manager. But I was destined to come to college and teaching profession. So in the meanwhile, what happened, I got an offer from CHM College Ulhasnagar, which was my alma mater also. At that time, it was the #1 college beyond Thane district. I joined the history department on 16th August 1984. And here I want to tell you a very short story about my interview in CHM. You know, in CHM, they take interview at KC College, Churchgate. KC College used to be the headquarters of Hyderabad Board Sindh National Collegiate, and it runs around 10 to 12 prestigious colleges in Mumbai, some 4-5 colleges in Pune, and the president of that board was Dr. Kundalani, KM Kundalani. Well, I remember there was a big office interview chamber, and there was a very long oval table. Some 25 to 30 persons were sitting. I was surprised to see how many this much people were sitting to take interview. Actually, what happened, there is a tradition there that experts from other subjects are also allowed to ask questions of history if they want to ask. And therefore, my interview took place. Dr. J.V. Naik was my expert, who was the head of department of university at University Department of History in University. And when my interview went on very nicely, at the end, the person on the chair, that is President Dr. KM Kundalani, He was from science faculty and he said, "Shall I ask you a question, Mr. Shailesh Srivastava?" I said, "Sir, yes, ask the question." And then he asked me, "What do you know about Gol Gumbaj?" I said immediately that Gol Gumbaj is situated in Bijapur district. It was constructed in the memory of Sultan Adil Shah. It was constructed between 1526 to 1556, 1626 to 1656, and it is the largest dome in India and second largest dome in world after St. Basilica in Rome. Then I told its height 51 meters. Then I told the diameter 124 feet. He was surprised. He said, "Stop. What you are saying, Shailesh Srivastava? Have you been to Gol Gumbad?" I said, "No, sir, I have not been to Gol Gumbad." He said, "I have been to Gol Gumbad last week, but I don't know all these things." So he complimented me, and that was a sign for me that I was selected. So that's how that interview was a very memorable one. I will never forget that. Then I enjoyed my brief stint at Chandibai College, and I finally resigned from CHM on 16th September 1985. And you will not believe that I joined Birla College on 17th September 85. There was not a single day's break. Tuesday I left on 16th, and 17th Wednesday, that is today, Wednesday, I joined Birla College. And for that, like Dr. Suranjay had mentioned, even I also paid advance salary to CHM. The principal of the college, Principal Dr. Talreja, asked me a question because he was astonished. He asked me, "Are Shailesh Srivastava, why you are going? What's wrong with CHM college? It is #1 college. Why are you going to Birla College?" I said, "Sir, for the reason for joining Birla College is 3. #1, traveling, because it will reduce my time for traveling, commuting, because there is a bus. At that time, there was a bus which was from Century Colony to Birla College and back. So that was #1 reason. Second reason, I said accommodation. He said, "What accommodation?" I said, "Birla College having staff quarters." Forget about staff quarters. Even I can get a flat in Century Colony after my dad's retirement. Then the third point which I said to him was that, "Sir, there in Birla College, I will be teaching entire history. All lectures will be of history," because in CHM, I was taking some lectures of history and some lectures of foundation course. So he was convinced. He said, "All the best, gentlemen. You can go to Birla College." And he said, "Chandibai College doors are always open for you. You are welcome anytime." So that's how I joined Birla College. Let me tell you point number 5, life in Birla College. You know, my destiny brought me in Birla College. I should say that destiny was so kind to me. In fact, I was very lucky to have a problem of plenty. You know, when opportunity comes, opportunity comes from doors, windows everywhere. I was very lucky to have the opportunities. I was having the letter of 3 colleges. I was there already in CHM college. I had a call letter from RKT college because I was a topper from that college. My name is still written there in roll of honors in RKT college. I had a letter from Birla College. Now I had to decide where to go. But I thought, if I'm leaving Chandibai, why I should join RKT, because it is also in Ulhasnagar. I took a firm decision that I'll join Birla College. And that's how, destiny brought me to Birla College. Now my initial years, initial days in college, it was really full of cooperation. There were all big stalwarts in those days, and they gave me cooperation, support, encouragement. I received plenty of support from the seniors. I was the junior most. In fact, Dr. G.P. Kulkarni branded me as the baby of Birla College, because I would like to quote you one memorable incident. When I was coming, the peon stopped me saying, thinking that I am a student. He said, "No, you go from that door. That's the student door." So those memorable days I will always remember and cherish. Then I do want to tell you that about Gokhale sir. The Gokhale sir was the founder principal, and he was a very great orator in English. Fantastic orator, very good command over English and current affairs. And he knew me from childhood because his daughter was my class schoolmate. So he knew, like any other parent, who is your competitor, And in my school days, I always used to get highest mark in social studies and English literature. So that's why Gokhale sir used to know that I am the person. And he knew many things about me, that in school I was good at debate competition, elocution competition and all that. So when I joined Birla College, within 1 week he made me staff secretary. And I remember after 3 months, there was the first national conference, ever national conference in Thana district, and that was in our college. The convener was Dr. Naresh Chandra, and that was the first type of conference, national conference given to a college. Apart from that, it was always given to university. And that's how I met Naresh Chandra. And because I was being so junior most, I was appointed as a chairman of accommodation committee and transport committee for that exhibition. And that was really a very encouraging beginning for me, for a newcomer like me. Very, very, I will say, positive atmosphere. Now, I would like to tell you about the principles which our college had. You know, being a history person, I would like to tell you that in chronology, if we go, I'll start with Gokhale sir, Principal S.D. Gokhale, very soft-spoken, thorough gentleman, very good in English and current affairs, followed by Dr. G.P. Kulkarni, who was another very good gentleman, hardly had a time of 1 year. Then in between, though Chapre sir was not a principal, but he was a father figure for all of us. And he always considered my wife. He used to say, "Ari ती माझी सून आहे, तू बाहेरचा आहे." तर मी म्हणालो, "सर, मी ती सून आहे तर मी तुमचा जावाई झालो." Then after G.P. Kulkarni, Dr. Naresh Chandra took over the reins of Birla College in his hand. I should tell you very frankly, you know, there were dogs roaming in our college at that time till last few years. But now we can say that एक परिंदा भी बिरला कॉलेज में पर नहीं मार सकता है. तो बिरला कॉलेज में इतनी चेंजेस, एक बहुत बड़ी सी चेंज हो गई है जो कि हम लोग देख रहे हैं. Then Dr. Naresh Chandra had a very long tenure. Then in between he went as the Pro Vice Chancellor to Mumbai University, and Dr. R.P. Trivedi, he became the principal. Dr. R.P. Trivedi, we know he is a very joyous person, kind, considerate, thorough gentleman. He is not there, you know, but we remember his all good things. And Dr. Trivedi was tenure I remember very much. It's very close to my heart. Then after that, again, Dr. Naresh Chandra resumed back as principal. So it's a number 5. Then number 6 is Dr. P.G. Joshi. She was there for hardly 1 year. Then Dr. Joshi Varghese, he was here for just 15 or 13 days, like Atal Bihari Vajpayee. But yes, he could not do in 13 days whatever, but he's also a thorough gentleman. And then Dr. Sapna Samel. What to say about Dr. Sapna Samel, a dashing lady, academically very sound. And she was also there for 1.5 years. And then Dr. Naresh Chandra resumed back as a principal. And finally, Dr. Naresh Chandra resigned. And then Dr. Avinash Patil became principal. It's really a very challenging thing to step into the shoes, big shoes of Dr. Naresh Chandra. And Dr. Avinash Patil is having all the potential. And I'm sure he will continue the legacy of Dr. Naresh Chandra, and our college will reach much, much higher heights. Well, this is all about the principals. Then Dr. Naresh Chandra became the first director of education of our college. Now, apart from all these things, the principals, now my next point is my relations with Dr. Naresh Chandra. You will say why? Because he was my principal for nearly 3 decades. That is having a lot of impact on my life. Nearly 3 decades. And I will say he was a big B for me. Big B means not Amitabh Bachchan, big B, big brother. So he was a big brother for me, always guiding me. And he was I will say guide, friend, philosopher. I was also his friend in the initial years. You know, I was very lucky to do exam supervision with him. And at present, I think I'm the only one here. Then, yes, I met him when, third aerobiological conference was going on, and he was the convener. And my memento was missed out. He took great care and finally gave me my memento, calling me in his department, botany department, and said, Shailesh, ye tera memento le yaar. He patted me. And that's how, we came very close. Then I remember during my days, there were four musketeers, not three musketeers. Myself, Dr. Vijay Joshi, Ajit Seal, and Joshi Varghese. For any function, sir would contact any one of us or all of us. So that's why, I came very, very close to Dr. Naresh Chandra. I remember one very interesting story. When I called Dr. Naresh Chandra and his family at my house in Ulhasnagar, new housewarming party. So he came with his family, Madam came, Amit came, Sumit came, and we had a dinner together, and he talked to my dad. And my father is a person from old school of thought. So sir asked my dad, give some informations about Shailesh Srivastava. My dad told all about me, positive as well as negative things, everything. And then my dad said, Shailesh ko to hum log Nawab Sahab bolte hain. Sir was very much delighted. अच्छा नवाब साहब बोलते हो, क्यों बोलते हो आप? बोले अरे क्या उनकी बात है, उनको क्या है, उनको सब चीज बेस्ट ही चाहिए और हमारे घर के तो बस नवाब साहब है. बस सर को वो बात मिल गई. I am just saying. And what happened after 3-4 days, I came late to the college, just 1 minute or 2 minutes. Sir just was seeing his watch and said, "Arey Shailesh Srivastava, तुम तो नवाब साहब हो, तुम्हारी बात ही अलग है." I just put my head down and ran to the class. Then, like that, he continued. He remembered this for 2-3 years, but it was in a light way. He said, smiling also. So I took it very sportingly, and it so happened then after that sir stopped and the staff used to call me Nawab Sahab. And I should say that for the sake of college development, sir's service is very human, beyond imagination. He did everything. I should tell he is a man of all seasons, a taskmaster. A taskmaster like Bismarck, he had an iron hand in a velvet glove. So he will complete his task anyhow. He was very kind and considerate towards me. Of course, sometimes I had to, had to be on the other side. I had to hear his words also, because after all, he is the boss. Then let's talk about my relationship with my colleagues. I can vouch, I can give guarantee that the staff room culture of our college was having the most vibrant and friendly culture compared to many colleges. There is hardly any feeling of seniority. Let me tell you, among our colleagues, I witnessed when I was new, very new, junior, at that time, there used to be a friendly debates with the stalwarts like Trivedi sir, Upadhyay sir, Deshmukh sir, Gopal Safaina, Jacob John, Mishra ji, Dr. Gulati, Vaidya sir, Vijay Joshi, then Nandudkar madam, Mr. and Mrs. Brahme, P.B. Deshpande, M.D. Bapat, and not to forget my first head of department, Dr. Mrs. Thatre madam. She was just like an elder sister to me. And really, she showered her love and affection in that way. She took great care of me. She is no more, but her kindness will be always there in my heart. Then there was Mr. R.V. Mahendle. He was also very jovial person, and he was my second head. After that, I took over from him in month of July 2001 as the head of history department. Then after nearly 10 to 15 years, people started calling me senior. I was senior on paper, but from my heart, I was, equally affable to everyone. I had an equal friendly debate filled with splits of laughter with Dr. Suranjay, Dr. Khobragade, Dr. Baske, Dr. Harish Dubey, Dr. Khandpekar, Dr. Radhika, Dr. Sapna, Dr. Suvarna, Dr. Vijay Jadhav, Sangeeta Sharma, Kiran Raikar, Dr. Pandey, Nagre, Raghunath, Pratibha, Tevre, Vinod Narayane, Sheetal Chitre, so many, and not to forget my contemporaries like C.A. Siri Phadke. You know, Phadke used to invite me. I was a permanent invitee in every commerce department function or accountancy department function. He would always invite me as guest, permanent guest. And we had a very good bonding. I had a very excellent bonding with George Oman, Josie Varghese. Then there were others like Hariharan, Gangal, Dr. Hastak. They were my contemporaries. And there were so many others. I could not take the name of all those persons from science faculty as well. Few years before my retirement, I had developed good relations with young ones also, like Mahadev, Rakesh Bhoir, Viplav, Samazdar, Prakash Sansare, Lakshita, Preeti, Megha, and many others. Then, in fact, I should say that I had good relations with majority of junior college colleagues and even with administrative staff. I will definitely consider myself very lucky to have such a wonderful staff members as my friend. I humbly consider myself as Ajat Shatru, that is the unborn enemy. No, I remember Kabir. Just I am trying to interpret Kabir in different way. Kabir used to say, Kabira khada bazaar mein, मांगे सबकी खैर, ना ही किसी से दोस्ती, ना ही किसी से बैर. But I interpreted with due respect to Kabir. I said, शैलेश श्रीवास्तव खड़ा कॉलेज में, मांगे सबकी खैर, हर किसी से दोस्ती, ना ही किसी से बैर. So I changed that definition. And now about point number 7, work in committees. I had many first in committees also, like steering committee. The steering committee was only there for 2 years. And there were, Dr. Paprikar from science. Then there was Upadhyay sir from commerce. Then Trivedi sir was perhaps there from arts, but he said, no, Shailesh Srivastava ko mauka do. And I was that. So you imagine Upadhyay sir and this Paprikar sir and the third person, I was very junior to them. And it was there for 2 years. After that, it was abandoned, that committee, because people used to feel that the steering committee is overriding all the committees. Then after that, accommodation committee, I was the first person, one of the first member in the accommodation committee, transport committee. Then add-on courses. Sir interested me add-on courses also. And I took charge as for travel and tourism. They made me the coordinator of all the 9 add-on courses. And I said to sir that I will not be charging any money for that. I will give my services. Then sir used to console me that you will still, I wanted to join local managing committee, but destiny has its say. And by default, I became the first member of the governing council, being the senior most. So sir smiled and said, "See Shailesh, dekho, jo likha hai Bhagwan ne wo kar dete." Then I would also be very grateful to sir that he had offered me the post of vice principal of arts twice. That is his greatness. But with politely, with due respect, I said, sir, I will not take this post. So I declined this post with in a polite manner, saying thanks to sir. Then I had also worked as chairman of Gymkhana committee for nearly 10 years. I am very happy to know that Dr. Harish Dubey is handling Gymkhana committee in a very excellent way. Then exam committee, I was there for many years. I was there in unfair means inquiry committee. I was chief of editor of college magazine Birlight for twice. I was a member of discipline committee, admission committee. I was the chairman of social science committee. I was even in NSS and so on and so forth. In fact, hardly any committee was left. I used to say to sir that only art circle and NCC is left. Otherwise, I had worked almost in all the committees. Then he used to say, join kar lo, art circle bhi. Sir, then I said, no sir, I am a very good listener and I know all the songs. in fact, my friends used to tell me that sir is having excellent knowledge of films and song, but I am a listener. I am not a good singer. Then really I had a very wonderful and unforgettable time with my working committee members. Now about social outreach activities. You know, apart from helping through various committees, I also did a lot social work through Lions Club, through Rotary Club, Giants Club Saheli. You know, there was a very big panel, consisting of stalwarts Pramod Pabrekar, Dr. Barve from Vazay College, and myself. So we were there in that committee and we were doing all the career guidance. When sir came to know, he said, "Arey Shailesh, tum sab jagah bolte ho, apne college mein bhi to do career counseling." I said, "Yes, sir, why not?" Then I started giving in our college also that career guidance. Apart from that, I should say that I was the president of social organization Swajan. Then now I am an advisor for that. I'm also in connection with so many NGOs. I also try to help the needy students whenever it is required in whatever way. Dr. Ambedkar had rightly stated that at one point of time, we have to give back something to our society. So I feel every staff member of us, at least after retirement or whether they are working, they should follow the principles of Dr. Ambedkar, that we are having the responsibility to give something back to the society in whatever way, in whatever manner. So I did in my humble way, whatever I can do. Now coming on to the next point, that is family support. You know, without the strong family support, I would not have been what I am today. I inherited, jovial nature and humbleness from my father, Shri Janardhan Srivastava. Similarly, from my mother, Srimati Urmila Devi Srivastava, I inherited manners, etiquettes, chivalry, and hospitality. My brother Sanjay and his family are strong pillars of support. Really, I am saying it is very difficult to find a brother like Sanjay. My sister Sashi and her family was also a great moral support for me. Similarly, my son Sumit, my daughter Sneha, my son-in-law Ranjit, and my cute little princess granddaughter Riyanshi has made my life colorful, comfortable, and worth living for. Of course, I am missing my wife a lot. She was the soul of our home. And that's why I feel kabhi kisi ko mukammal jahan nahi milta, kahin asma to kahin zameen nahi milta. Well, I should say that I also enjoyed great support of my friends and well-wishers constantly. It is still going on. I am well connected with all my friends in college and elsewhere. Then I'm coming to the next point, my wish list for college. You will say my wish list. I think, yes, every staff member has right to think about college, what the college should be, what the college was. I remember when I joined the college was hardly 12 to 13 years, teenager. Then I saw the college becoming a 25-year youth. Now I'm witnessing the college a matured 50-year-old. So the stages are there, and those stages are really very interesting. I had seen this entire history with my eyes, and I'm very pleased to see where the college had reached the pinnacle of glory under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Naresh Chandra and his entire team. I include the other principals also, but Dr. Naresh Chandra's contribution is lion's share. Well, talking about, as I said that I spent nearly 35 years of my life in Birla College. Whatever I am today, it's mainly because of Birla College. I will always remain highly indebted to our BK Birla College. My first wish is that our college should become deemed to be university. And I'm sure it will become. And in near future, it will definitely become. Where there is a will, there is always a way. Challenges are there. When you are going to bring, honey from the forest, be prepared to get sting with the bees. So challenges are there. We had to, be ready for those challenges. I think all the staff members will definitely pull up their socks and will work towards that goal for making our college as a deemed university. Then my second wish list is that our college should be in top 10 colleges of India. I think our chairman, Honorable Chairman Shri Or Chitlange's dream is also there, that our college should be in fact among top 5 colleges. Well, I should say that in hindsight, when I think, I realized that God had made me to take the right decision to join B.K. Birla College. I always remain grateful for Birla College, ever and ever. Now, before concluding, just to conclude, I should thank the organizing committee for inviting me to express my views freely. I thank from the bottom of my heart to all the virtual online listeners for their patient listening, because I'm the person very talkative, very famous, but still all of you had, listened to me very patiently. So I thank you very, and before ending, I want to have some quotes. About Robert Frost quotes 100 times everybody had heard. And that is, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. I think all of you had heard this in English 100 times. I'm going to tell you this in Hindi. This 4 lines was written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister of India, on his personal diary on front page. Whenever he used to want energy, he would read these 4 lines. His close friend Dr. Harivansh Rai Bachchan came to know and he translated. These 4 lines I am translating in Hindi for my Hindi lovers, Dr. Suranjay, Dr. Pandey, Dr. Harish Dubey, Khadke, and even sir also is a Hindi lover. So all the staff members who love Hindi, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. In Hindi, गहन सघन मनमोहन वन तक मुझको आज बुलाते हैं, किंतु किए जो वादे मैंने याद मुझे आ जाते हैं. अभी कहाँ आराम बदा या नए निमंत्रण चलना है, अरे अभी सोने से पहले मुझको मीलों चलना है, अरे अभी सोने से पहले मुझको मीलों चलना है. So this is about Harivansh Rai Bachchan and that quotation. Before that, I also want to end on Amir Khusro's note. Amir Khusro had stated about Kashmir that Gar Firdos Bar Rube Zami Asta Hami Asta Hami Asta Hami Asta. That means if ever there is a paradise on earth, it is this, it is this, it is this. Similarly, your poet Shailesh Khushro, not Khusro, is saying regarding Birla College, if at all there is an educational paradise on earth, it is this, it is this, it is this, that is Birla College. So, thanks, Jai Hind and Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you so much, sir. I think एक जो अंदाज होता है अपने बातों को रखने का, ये तो मुझे लगता है कि शैलेश श्रीवास्तव सर से सीखना चाहिए. हिंदी, अंग्रेजी और शायराना अंदाज मैं समझ सकता हूँ, काबिले तारीफ है सर. और हम आपकी क्या तारीफ करेंगे, पूरे स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी आपकी फैन रही है. सो बहुत खूब सर ने अपना एक्सप्रेशन रखा और मैं समझता हूँ कि हम में से हर कोई सर का एक अंदाज जानता था, और आज जो लोग नहीं कभी सुने थे वो लोग भी जान चुके होंगे कि क्या थे शैलेश श्रीवास्तव सर. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. अब पारी है अपने मित्रों को आमंत्रित करने की. सो whosoever want to speak, I request everyone to please unmute themselves one by one and they can express. So I can see hands. Yeah, Mahendra sir, please. अच्छा, नीता मैडम, दीदी बोलिए बोलिए.
हाँ सर, आज तो मैं हक से बोलूंगी मेरे टीचर के बारे में. सर ने जो कहा, मैं सर की सेकंड बैच स्टूडेंट हूँ मतलब 86, जैसे सर ने कहा 85 को सर कॉलेज ज्वाइन हुए सितंबर में, और 86 में मैं फर्स्ट ईयर बीए में आ गई। तो मैं बहुत लकी थी कि 87, 86, 87, 89 ये पूरे तीनों साल सर ने मुझे हिस्ट्री पढ़ाया। और सुवर्णा मैडम ने जो इंट्रोडक्शन में सही कहा कि सर बिना किसी कागज के क्लास में आया करते थे, तो हम लोग तभी सोचा करते थे इतनी सारी बातें सर को याद कैसी रहती है। मतलब आज सर जब ये कबीर अमीर खुसरो की बातें बता रहे हैं तो मुझे मिडेवल इंडिया का पूरा बाबर का जो पेपर है, मुगल हिस्ट्री का पेपर, बिल्कुल रिवाइंड हो गया। तो ये एक सुनहरी यादें सर की हैं मेरे साथ में। और सर ने एरोबायोलॉजी कॉन्फ्रेंस की जो बात की, मुझे अच्छे से याद है कि सर का उस वक्त घर गेट सेंचुरी में, गेट नाम की जगह है, वहां पर सर ने जब फर्स्ट घर उनके डैडी ने लिया था, तो एरोबायोलॉजी कॉन्फ्रेंस के कुछ डेलीगेट्स सर ने उस घर में रुकाए थे। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि अपना घर डेलीगेट्स के लिए देना। मतलब जैसे सर ने आज कहा, आज किस तरीके का एक एग्जाम्पल सर ने रखा वो मुझे अच्छे से याद है। फिर मुझे अच्छे से याद है कि जब मैं TYBA में थी तो देयर वाज दिस बिग यूनिवर्सिटी स्ट्राइक ऑफ टीचर्स, तो सर ने कुछ लेक्चर्स हमारे उस घर में लिए थे। तो दोज आर द स्वीट चेरिश्ड मेमोरीज व्हिच आई कैरी। फैमिली में सर ने संजय भाई का जिक्र किया। मैं यहाँ पर संजय का कंट्रीब्यूशन याद दिलाना चाहूंगी कि जब क्लेटन यूनिवर्सिटी से हॉर्नबक्कल मैडम विजिट करने आई थी बिरला कॉलेज में 2017 में, क्योंकि वो केमिस्ट्री की थी, तो जस्ट संजय को मिस्टर खांडपेकर ने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि कैन आई शो हर द सेंचुरी प्लांट, एंड संजय ब्यूटिफुली, very heart with big heartfulness showed her the whole plant. So this is the nexus. एक भाई ने किस तरीके से बिरला कॉलेज के लिए अपना एक ओपननेस दिखाए, ये मैं संजय की यहाँ पर बात नमूद करना चाहूंगी। और बोलने को तो बहुत कुछ है, बट these are the sweet memories। एंड मैं आज जो भी कुछ यूनिवर्सिटी में हूँ बिल्कुल सर की बदौलत हूँ। It's a total contribution by श्रीवास्तव सर। मेरा हिस्ट्री लेना सर को बहुत बड़ा सर का हाथ है। मैं भी अभी 7 साल में रिटायर हो जाऊंगी सर, लेकिन we remember you as a young professor coming with briefcase, and at that time we used to really admire आज सर ने चेक्स वाली शर्ट पहनी है। So those sweet memories we do carry of 86 to 89 sir. That's it. Thank you.
That's so sweet of you.
Yeah, thank you, Didi. And now I request Vijay Jadhav sir to express.
Sir, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Namaskar, Srivastav sir.
Namaskar.
Sir, I like your family history and your journey. It was really unique, wonderful and overwhelming, sir. And it was a wonderful narration. Sir, lot to learn from you. I respect your command on English. I also respect your expertise in the subject of history. Sir, thanks for your respect as well as love. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Vijay.
Thank you, sir. Now I can see Grishma Khobragade sir. Please, sir.
Yes, sir. Grishma speaking here. Hello, sir. How are you? Respected my mentor, my guide, my philosopher, the best of the human being, the great personality, multi-dimensional personality like Shailesh Srivastava sir. I wish you very happy new year, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Grishma. Yes, sir.
8 minutes.
काफी रुक गया बोला क्या?
After listening your expression, I would like to. I always cherish and recollect our golden memories in the staff room, sir. अभी तो सन्नाटा है सर स्टाफ रूम में, कोई जाता भी नहीं सर वहां पर। मैं अकेला रहता हूँ वहां पर और आपकी याद आती है वहां। Okay, sir.
Thank you.
As you referred and Robert Frost one poem, right, sir? The woods are lovely, dark and deep. Now I recollected one poem that I shall be telling this with a sigh. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the ones less traveled by, and that has made all the differences. तो सर हाँ आपने मुझे शादी करने का फार्मूला बताया था, आपको अगर याद होगा नहीं होगा लेकिन मुझे याद है सर, जब मुझे शादी करना था तो आपने कहा था ग्रीष्मा यू कैन ऑलवेज फॉलो दिस फार्मूला, A to G कुछ था, A for age, B for beauty, C for character, A B C D for domestic duty, E for education, and ऐसा कुछ फार्मूला था सर, and I followed this formula, and because of your blessing and guideline, proper guidance, I'm enjoying my married life also sir. After listening, जब तनाही हो जाती है सर, तनाही में तो मुझे कुछ शेर याद आते हैं, तो आई वुड लाइक टू रिसाइट दैट शेर, आपको समर्पित करता हूँ सर। जहां याद ना आए तेरी वो तनाही किस काम की, जहां याद ना आए तेरी वो तनाही किस काम की, बिगड़े रिश्ते न बने तो खुदाई किस काम की। बेशक अपनी मंजिल तक जाना है हमें, बेशक अपनी मंजिल तक जाना है हमें, लेकिन जहां से अपने ना दिखे वो ऊंचाई किस काम की, लेकिन जहां से अपने ना दिखे वो ऊंचाई किस काम की। आज सर स्टाफ रूम वीराना है, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप कभी कभी कॉलेज में आया करो सर, वी विल ऑलवेज चेरिश आवर मेमोरीज, आपके जोक्स, you are the encyclopedia, you are the Wikipedia, you are the Google, you are Google sir. If anybody asks you any question about the history, Marathi, English literature, sports, advertising, picture, theater, and all any domain, you are the master and you are the captain, right sir? So bas with this word I pray to the nature that you should be very healthy, prosperous in the forthcoming days. I would like to conclude by saying one last line by concluding remark. Sir, are you listening me, sir?
Yeah.
हम हवा नहीं जो खो जाएंगे, हम हवा नहीं जो खो जाएंगे, वक्त नहीं जो गुजर जाएंगे, हम हवा नहीं जो खो जाएंगे, वक्त नहीं जो गुजर जाएंगे, हम मौसम नहीं जो बदल जाएंगे, हम मौसम नहीं जो बदल जाएंगे, हम तो आंसू है जो खुशी और गम दोनों के साथ निभाएंगे, हम तो आंसू है जो खुशी और गम दोनों में साथ निभाएंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर,
थैंक यू ग्रीष्मा, सो नाइस ऑफ यू।
ग्रीष्मा सर, हमने आपके स्पीच में ये अंदाज मिस किया, मैंने उस दिन भी कहा था कि आप वो नहीं लगे जो हैं, तो आज आपने वो अंदाज दिखाया। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर एक्सप्रेशंस। नाउ I can see Sanjay Srivastava ji amongst us. I can see Kiran Raikar sir also, but we will request Sanjay Srivastava sir to please speak first. So Sanjay sir, please.
Hello, good evening and happy new year to everyone. It was lovely to hear Grisham Khopakade sir. बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक उन्होंने बोला, और लास्ट में जो शायराना अंदाज था उनका, वो तो सबका दिल जीत के लेके गए, तो बहुत बहुत थैंक्स। I would start with something which I think so my brother has told, but he would have missed it somewhere. Is first of all, with the expression lectures of him, I have got little bit emotional when he was speaking about my bhabi, brother, and my father and my mother. We are really missing them. It was a very good family with all of those. If they are with us, we would be very happy. Anyway, their blessings are always with us, and we really love them. Now, from point of view of our family, about his English, as you all told that his English language is really fantastic. But in our whole family, our uncles are also professor at Kanpur College. My cousins are also professors at Kanpur College. They are principals and vice principals. But everyone, if they want a guidance in English or some quotes to write, right from me to everyone else in the family, definitely take help from him only. Everyone's biodata, resumes, everything he drafts in English, and really his English is excellent, excellent. The secret, again, I had already told during his retirement time, there was a, at that time also I told, that was his reading habit. His reading habit is really good, which I try to do the same, but I'm not able to do it. He is reading newspaper, reading novels, lot of books. Still, he is having very good habit, and with that, his GK is very good. And even I remember those days when he was in Chandibai College. Principal Taldeja phone came at our house to my father that Shailesh should be with us. Why is joining Birla College? So daddy told no, it's his wish. So I have left to him. So that was his devotion to the job, that his principal or his boss was loving him in that way that he directly called at home and asked why he is not with us. Regarding other thing, that definitely he has attained a milestone in our family, that is topping the University of Mumbai. It is we still want to do touch at least that milestone, but still we are full of our family is trying to do it. Really, that is a great thing which he has done. And definitely the secret of his success in education was his concentration and hard working. I always talk to my children and others, those who are younger to me, that at least we should start learning this habit. That is the secret of success is concentration. Whenever he do anything, it is full of concentration he does. Regarding social work, he does lot of donations. I would not like to name them, but he is doing like a lot of donations. And career guidance he is giving to the people, poor people. If someone comes, even our worker, he asked me, send the worker son to me, and I will definitely give career guidance. It is free of cost. Let him grow, his family will grow, the country will grow. This is what he thinks. And that is really very great thing, which if anyone thinks in that way. Lastly, but definitely I would like to thank some special people. That is Chawre sir. Chawre sir, we all respect him. My brother definitely used to respect him. He was a guidance for me also. Tatre madam, though she is not here, but definitely our whole family definitely misses him. Dr. Naresh Chandra. For Dr. Naresh Chandra, my brother always tell me that try to learn something from him. He is a goal achiever. If you want to grow in the life, try to learn from him how he does his work. He concentrate on particular goal and he achieves it. So that is what he is having a respect for Naresh Chandra, Dr. Naresh Chandra. And definitely during our when my bhabhi was not well, so he has helped him directly or indirectly. Bhaiya, you can go or to take treatment definitely. So I would have missed few people also, those who have helped him at that time. So we are all thanking them from the family side. And lastly, it is whole of the college I would like to thank for the support they have given to my elder brother. And definitely we had a wish that our Birla College should be best in India, not in India, but best in world. So this is what. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you so much, Sanjay sir, for your kind words, and thank you so much for joining our expressions. So now I request Dr. Kiran Raikar sir to please speak. Kiran sir.
Thank you, Harish sir. Hello, Srivastava sir. Good evening. I listened to your wonderful expressions with a very perfect historical touch and a blend of humor and lot of assertion. I always admire you, sir, your scholarly qualities, and especially many of them told about the command on your English language, the general knowledge, reading of books, and even the current affairs. I really salute and admire that knowledge, sir. Ever since I joined, I always embraced many wonderful memories spent with you in a lot of different instances, being it working in different committees, and especially with the library advisory committee, when you were part of that. Being a very senior faculty and respected personality, for me, you have been not just a colleague, but a person to whom I always look to as an elder brother, a friend, and always been a well-wisher for me, sir. Thank you very much, and I wish you very great days ahead with lots of good health, happiness, and prosperity. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Kiran sir. We are happy to see Sneha, Mrs. Sneha here. So I request her to please express. She is daughter of Srivastav sir.
Hi everyone, good evening. Thank you for giving me an opportunity, like amongst all of you great stalwarts. I mean, I'm just starting from the next generation, but yeah, at least I'll express something in a few lines. So firstly, I'll start with the college. I think Birla College, my father worked over there not only because of that, but otherwise also it's been an integral part of my life. First of all, my dad worked there for so many decades, and even I studied there. My uncle, he just now informed, I mean, each one of us in our family have studied at some point or the other in Birla College. So it is an integral part of my life, and I wish the same, as my uncle said just now, for it to reach new heights every year after year. So yeah, I mean, that is what I feel, and I'm always grateful to all the colleagues. I've heard all of the names. I was just going through the attendee list, and at some point or the other, I have heard anecdotes about every one of them from my father. So I wish all of you all the best, and I'm really thankful for to all of you for making that career span for my dad that much enjoyable and fruitful. So I'm really thankful to everyone for making his career span in Birla College enjoyable, those many years enjoyable for him. And about my papa, I would like to say that he is not only a role model for me or my brother or for my uncle, but I always feel that he should be a role model for many of the youngsters of my age, or those who are just now passed from college, because as my uncle also mentioned, that he cares about a lot of things. He cares about the environment. He cares about education most of all. He'll never tell us also. We'll find out that, somewhere or the other he has funded someone's education, and he'll not tell that person also. He'll contact someone and, he'll pay the fees quietly. And he feels that education is most important part of everybody's life. And he has encouraged me also to do the same. And I'm really grateful that I have taken those few traits from him, and I also try to do it in my daily life wherever it is possible, try to help some way or the other, smaller or bigger, in someone's education. So that is something that I have learned from my innumerable ways. You are contributing to our country indirectly. And I mean, for his English, whatever I am today, whatever accolades I have achieved through my career or through my education years, is because of him. I remember, tomorrow there is a speech competition in school, and today, just before dinner, I'll just approach him that, Papa, please help me with my speech. Please polish it and, add some good words, or, please help me. Where should I stress more during my speech? I really want to win. This is what I used to say. And he always used to encourage me. He would never say that this is very last minute or 11th hour, why you have come at this point. But he always used to encourage me in all of that. And these small steps in turn built my confidence in such a way that now, because of him, I am not afraid to speak on any stage in terms of stage fear, or I'm not afraid of, who the audience is or how should I speak. I'm not prepared because of him and because of that habit. And I remember at a very early age, although everybody would speak in Hindi in our house, but Papa would always speak in English with me, and that helped develop the language right from the starting without any additional effort or without, making it a burden. So those are the things which helped me a great deal. And as a child, you realize that only when you get appreciation for it later in your career, and then you look back and you feel that your dad contributed in a very effortless way to what you are right now. Totally. So he's a very selfless person, and I'm trying to be like him in every aspect of my life, to give it to others, to the family members, to the society, to make sure everybody learn. One thing that I've learned from him is if you approach him, he'll always encourage you. He'll never make you feel that you're not knowing this thing. Although being from the finance and technology industry, there are many things still which he is more aware than me. So he says also that you are in this industry working for almost a decade, and see, you're not aware of this, but let me tell you. And then he'll fill that gap for me. So that is Papa for me. It is the most special bond, like with mother and father. And over the years, since my mother is not there, he has never made me realize that all the rituals and everything, what is to be done for a daughter, he'll try and remember, and he'll do all the smaller and bigger things. So I'm really thankful, to have him as my dad, and I'm really thankful to Birla College for giving him such a great work environment so that he could balance his life well between his family and career, and he was satisfied in both the areas. Yeah, thank you everyone.
Thank you, Sneha.
Thank you so much, Sneha ma'am, for your kind words, and thank you very much for joining us on this expression series.
Thank you,
Director sir, can we take Anuradha Hastak madam?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Dr. Harish Dubey,
Yes,
I
sir.
told you we should be in conference room and you are not there, it seems.
Sir, I am not there because there was a network issue. My laptop was not getting proper network there.
No, but please, in the meantime, if you can shift to my or please try.
Yeah, we will do, sir. So Hastak madam, meanwhile you can speak, madam.
Yes sir. Namaste Srivastav sir. Very happy to see you after a long time. Day by day you are becoming more fit and health conscious. I am happy to see that transformation in you, and your association with the whole accountancy department is really very special, right from say Fadke sir to Lakshita to Jyoti and to Bharat sir. Sir, we really miss you in the staff room. When you were there, the staff room environment was very lively, and we really used to discuss on so many points and so many things, from sports se lekar politics tak, and politics se lekar sharing your experiences in London, and whenever you used to go to Pune. So we really enjoy being in your company all the time. Your jovial nature has really made us very happy in the staff room, and we will never forget those days in our life when we were together. So before COVID, we were laughing and we were having jokes and we were sharing so many things with each other. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I wish you all good health and this new phase of your life. So really, I wish you happy and healthy and prosperous retired life further. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to speak.
Thank you so much, Anuradha madam. Now may I request Director sir to please bless all of us on this
Before
subject.
sir speaks, so may I say something? Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Director.
Dr. Suparna Jadhav, please go ahead.
Yes. So I would like to request Srivastav sir. Sir, history department is yours, and on behalf of Swapna madam and myself, I request you to please be associated with our department in future also. We had requested you to please conduct the PG lectures, but since due to this COVID situation, yes, we can really understand that it is online and very difficult. But then when we come back to our normal stage, sir, I would like to request you to please be associated with our department. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Dr. Avinash Patil. Yes, Dr. Harish Dubey.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So anyone else would like to speak?
No, sir. I think you can.
Today's speaker of the day, Professor Shrivastava, Principal Dr. Avinash Patil, Dr. Harish Dubey, all the esteemed vice principals, Dr. Suvarna Jadhav, Dr. Swapna Samil, maybe in flight, and all my esteemed colleagues. Today, one more thing, those who are attending, they must have realized the importance of BK Expression series. Is all what he was trying to, it will add great value to our series. And I'm sure many of our colleagues have spoken earlier, and maybe in next few months, we'll be listening to history for better future. Professor Shrivastava joined before I became principal. Few years we were meeting in a staff room and all that, and later on I started realizing by becoming principal, one thing I was all the time missing, that environment of a staff room. Though some of my colleagues will come and tell, Sajala, but your principal used to get a lot of information. But I used to miss that table meeting and laughter and all that. And as he rightly conveyed, right from Professor Dr. R.P. Trivedi ji to all our colleagues from different departments, it has been very enriching, exciting, and also it used to say motivating all of us. And also the discussion used to help me for my better performance. Whatever will happen in a staff room, some of it I will get, and then I will start taking corrective measures. I never thought that they are criticizing principle. I always thought that no, there is a scope for improvement. And wherever possible, whether to appreciate, क्या करना, एक दफे मैंने कभी बोल दिया, मैं तो सबको एक आंख से ही देखता हूँ. But then I realized that no, it is practically not possible. हिस्ट्री वाला हिस्ट्री वो अलग से देखेगा ही. अभी ये दिखा दिया डॉक्टर सुवर्णा जाधव ने. It has to happen. बॉटनी वाला बॉटनी, थोड़ा बहुत तो हो गई, कितना ही हम बोलें. So then I went to staff room again and I said, देखो परवा में ऐसा ऐसा बोल लो तो, but I withdraw that statement. I will try to be, but I cannot be 100% with everyone the same. ये बहुत early मेरे ख्याल में 1989 or that type of thing. So it's a natural. Everyone has to. And Professor Shrivastava very rightly conveyed his personal life, education, relations with colleagues, relation with remembering founder principal, other colleagues, seniors, and young colleagues. And then, only those who are young, I also remain young. I behave the same way. So it was all, I mean, we really went down memory lane and revived all those things again. And then, as Dr. Suvarna Jadhav said, I joined her in requesting Professor Srivastava. Birla College was not your college before. Even today, Department of History is your department. So you are always welcome, and please accept continuing for especially PG lectures, some guest lectures, and as you said, career opportunity sessions, motivation, spoken English program. It is not only Dr. Sneha or Mr. Sanjay. Whenever I used to draft some special letter, I will call from staff room Professor Srivastava. And it has not happened once, it has happened hundreds of times. Any report writing, in spite of being checked by 3-4% before, but once again I will call Professor Srivastava, can you come at 5 p.m. today? He will be at home. I know it will be inconvenient, but I will call late hours, Sunday, many times, and we'll see now to me, hey, you read and he will very honestly do a lot of value additions. So he is an encyclopedia in himself. The library, when he was requested to be professor in charge, his only one quality was his knowledge was it at maximum. He always stood one up as far as intellectual class is considered. And even today, he keeps himself so much updated. When he talks, it comes with lot of very rich experience. And my biggest, I do not know what is right, what is wrong. I am also maybe becoming little personal. I used to say that my office is 99, every time it is always open. It may not be a good policy, I do not know. Or for many, it may not be good policy. I used to, sometime I might have had door closed or something. But same way, I never liked the whole life anyone going with textbook into the class. Every time, whenever it will happen, I will come to my office, try to call someone and say, hello, upon. And today I started thinking when he started expression, induction program, I forgot to request my young colleagues who have joined just that please, for God's sake, do not carry textbook in the class while you are teaching. If at all you want to take something, prepare your own notes and fresh notes. And that Halake Professor Srivastava never took that also. He also never took chalk and duster. For chalk and duster picture, I do not know whether he has seen or not, but it is a relative work. At times, chalk is very necessary. At times, duster is very necessary. The values of teaching. As a teacher, when I come out of the class, I must see that my board is clean again. When I go to the class, board is clean and I write. So there may be different facets of teaching learning. It remains more personal, but ultimate purpose is we provide rightful knowledge to our students. And Professor Srivastava has been a teacher par excellence. Beautiful expression. And the words he coined, adjectives he used, super. Gokhale sir is really, no one can match, I agree, but Professor Srivastava's is also, it deserves all appreciations to be an excellent teacher, and he has served the college I remember CHM College in those days was #1 institution in our area. We used to tell our Birla College that those days, those who know, they will definitely realize we do not want to repeat those things, but he thought of Birla College is because the whole family, parents, centurion, I will come to Birla College. And what Birla College is today, his contribution is immense. It is person like him who have contributed immensely, and colleges or the students of BK Birla College, through their such teachers, college has gained such name and fame. And these days, we keep on thinking we must sustain it. And the responsibility of younger colleagues is much more now. We should take advice. We should take help from our senior colleagues and put our maximum to see that college touches newer heights. You know what, Mr. Sanjay, what a statement he makes in one sentence, I want to see my college not only best in the country, but globally. Mr. Sanjay Srivastava is also a family culture. Your reflection, your love for your institution, and person like you praying for the institution may be one major reason that college में एक time था पैसा वैसा भी कम रहे, but college has always stood very high on values. डॉक्टर तो बोलते ही है कि अपने बिरला जी की पुण्याई या कहीं कुछ भी कमी हुई तो भी college could succeed and always travel right from day one till today, and I'm sure it will achieve definitely desired level of success and glory. But we need help, support, and guidance with all our colleagues. Professor Srivastava has spoken so well. I have also taken little more time, but I would like to conclude with thank you so much, Professor Srivastava. College will always remain or will always be not yesterday's, today, tomorrow, every time. We shall always be proud of you and continue your relationship as it was, as it should be at its best. Thank you so much. And Dr. Harish Dubey, thank you for coordinating. Principal Dr. Avinash Patil, today I repeat that BK-BCK expression may I started feeling we started good activity and all our senior colleagues come and express their feelings and it is recorded because Professor Srivastava also maybe request you please give 2-page or 3-page whatever you have spoken as a summary so that it can be put in the printed in the spiral bound form that our colleagues speak. You know, its importance will be seen after when our colleagues will be celebrating centenary year. And this document will be in library. That at the time of Golden Jubilee year, we had BK-BCK expressions starting from 17 June 2021 till 16 June 2022. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
And great. All the best. To all my colleagues, we all look forward. Tomorrow क्या संगीत में BK-BCK expressions and great. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir has also taken a little more time today. That also indicates sir's affection for Professor Srivastava. And I have witnessed many times whenever we were writing the autonomy report or RUSA report, even at the 8 o'clock evening, sir used to ask me, "Ek baar Professor Srivastava ko dekho, can he come?" And we used to call. I still recall we going together around 10 o'clock night after checking that draft. So really, sir, I admire Professor Srivastava sir's drafting and narrating capabilities. And I'm also, sir, fan of you, your expressions. We used to many times discuss with each other and we used to laugh. Sir has formed a laughter club also sometime and we were all members. so we were really
laughter club, yes.
So thank you very much, Srivastava sir. Now I request Mahendra Khandpekar sir to please express.
Photo le lo.
Yeah, okay sir. Sir, I need to go. Let me take photograph. Just.
Now I will go after vote of thanks only. But.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Khandpekar sir to please express vote of thanks for the day.
Thank you, Harish Dubey sir. And from bottom of my heart, I feel very emotional to say thank you to Dr. Shailesh Srivastava sir. I remember we traveling in contract bus when I newly joined from Century Rayon. And there is lot of things to speak about, sir. He, I would say, is a history book of Birla College, and I would end my words with he has actually endowed 2 prizes in names of his parents, which are worth mentioning. It is also put up for in our list of endowment prizes, and I thank the team of Expressions. Dr. Harish Dubey, Dr. Smita Madam, and all others who are making this program a grand success. Thank you very much.
Dr. Neeta, Professor Neeta Khandpekar was also there. But
yes, sir.
Is she there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Professor Neeta.
Sir, namaste, namaste, sir.
Namaste, God bless you. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
आज सर की वजह से यूनिवर्सिटी से जल्दी में भाग के आई.
Okay, very good.
So, very sweet memories. बहुत कुछ बोलना चाहती थी बट ब्रीफ में ही बोला.